So yeah, I'm out here walking. Gotta show y'all something real quick. Just some real nature shit going on right now. There's birds playing in the water. Breeze is slightly blowing. It's slightly cold. I'm a little chilly myself. That's why I got a jacket on. Look at the sun. It's bright when it first comes up. What are we gonna do today? Well, I'm gonna start off by going to sleep. I'll do that for a little while and then go to work. The way is here, so it'll be alright. Just wanted to watch the sun come up for once. Been too busy going to sleep, but it's still dark time. Or if it's light out, I don't even go outside. Except real early when I first get off work. I can pretty much say the whole thing is like a big white dot. As I said, blinding me. It's making it look like it's got something through it. Blue light over it.